G'day guys, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you enjoyed that little video. That was my entry into the Jake Rich and MusicBed challenge. Now, for those of you that don't know Jake Rich, he's an Aussie YouTuber that I've been following for quite some time, posts heaps of awesome travel content. He's right into his GoPros, and I was just browsing his page and saw that he was running this little competition. I thought, why not? A chance to get creative and reuse and recycle and kind of find some old footage that I've never really got out there from my trip to India earlier in the year. So a huge thanks to Jake and to MusicBed for running this challenge, because it was a lot of fun throwing this little edit together. And there were a couple of conditions when making this video for this competition. The main ones were that it had to be B-roll, under 60 seconds, and mainly GoPro footage, and also match to a song that Jake provided in a MusicBed playlist. So there are a number of songs there. The one I decided I can't remember the name of, I'll mention it down below, but I think it really fit the vibe of what I was trying to go for with, you know, the upbeat chaos that is India. And it really got me to think outside the box a little bit, because a lot of the footage I got from that trip was on my DSLR. It was only really supplemented by the GoPro. I still had plenty of GoPro footage to pick from, but it's not a movie I tend to make just with GoPro footage, and everything you saw there was all GoPro Hero 7. I'm a couple of models behind, but it just goes to show what you can do with these little powerhouse action cameras. So with those conditions, it really allowed me to put a different spin on the video, a bit different to something I normally would do. I knew I kept this grubby old Holi hat for something as well, and yeah, now it's just a couple of weeks, see what happens in regards to the competition. But either way, I was able to get creative, I had a lot of fun making it, and I really appreciate everyone that took the time to watch. If you did enjoy the video, guys, like, subscribe down below, and leave a comment, because I'm always really keen and curious to see what people think when I put a video out like this, which is a little bit different from the norm. Comment down below, I'll comment right back at ya. Thanks for letting me ramble on, and I'll see you in the next one.